Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is initialization of a variable. Last we are learn about the declaration of a variable. What is the declaration of variable? When a variable is declaration means that when we are declare with its data type, then that is called declaration. So here it means that what is the purpose of declaring a variable? The purpose of it is that variable which is declared is allocating a memory space. If we are declare as an integer, then the memory size of integer is allocated to that variable. So this is all about. Now today's initialization of a variable. Initialization of variable is simply we can say assigning a value to a variable at the time of declaring is called initialization of a variable. For example, we have int age, and this is the declaration. Int age is a declaration. If we are giving, if we are assigning to value to this variable, then this is called initialization of a variable. So this is very simple. If you are assigning the value to a declared variable at the declaring time, then this is called initialization of a variable. And the general syntax is type, okay, variable, okay, and this, sorry, this and value. This is the general syntax of the initialization of a variable. This is the general syntax. Okay, so simple is this. Here type is like int, variable name, and the value, whatever value you want to give it. So this is the very simple. And next topic is we have is the constant. Next so we have constant. um, Okay, you are heard about the constant. What is the constant thing which is not changed? And first of all, you understand the difference of constant and variable. Variable change their values, but the constant not change their values. So constant are assigned, and then we cannot change their values. Like age, in age is a variable. We can change its value. We can use 20, here we're using 23, we can 24 and more than. But when we use a constant, then we cannot change their values. And in simple, the quantity that cannot change their value during execution of program are called constant. Those which cannot change while they are executing their value are called constants. So there are two types: literal constants and symbolic. We have two constant and symbolic. Symbolic. So first of all, we are talk about what is the literal constant. First of all, we have to talk about the literal constant. What are, so first one is the literal means exact or accurate. Literal means exact. Okay, exact or accurate. A literal is a constant having independent value that is used in the program source code. For example, it's literal constants are basically for example, we are giving them 10 and 10.5, these are the exact values. Okay, these are the exact values. So okay, so there are further divided these literally into types. These are integer constant, floating point constant, character constant, and string constant. So we are divided into further integer hmm, float, one character, and the last is string. Hmm. In next video we discuss about these literal constants. So we are summing up with it that today what we learn initialization of variable, we learn about the constants, and constants are the basically that quantities which cannot change their values during the execution of program. So then we learn that types of constants. So there are two types of constant, literal constant and symbolic constants. And further we are discuss what is the literal constant means, what it stands for, and what there is. They are divided further. So they are divided further into four categories, that's integer, floating, and character string. So next in next lecture we inshallah discuss about these four. So till that give me permission to go. So Allah Hafiz, hope you enjoy the lecture. If you understand and if you want to ask any query, you can comment. Allah Hafiz.